Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the BMW iX new versus old. We'll explore the significant updates that distinguish the latest models from their predecessors. You'll learn about the advancements in performance, technology, and design. This comparison will help you understand which version might best suit your driving needs and preferences. Let's dive into the details and see what's new. When it comes to performance, the newer BMW iX models deliver a more exhilarating drive. They often feature increased horsepower, allowing for quicker acceleration and a more dynamic feel on the road. Crucially, battery capacity has seen improvements, translating directly into a longer electric driving range. This means fewer stops and more confidence on extended journeys, making the updated iX a more practical choice for many drivers. Inside, the technology and comfort have taken a significant leap forward. The infotainment system in the newer iX models is more intuitive, with faster processing and a more user-friendly interface. Driver assistance systems are also more refined, offering enhanced safety and convenience features. You'll notice upgraded interior materials and finishes, contributing to an even more premium and comfortable cabin environment. These updates truly elevate the driving experience. Ultimately, deciding between a newer or older BMW iX depends on your priorities. If you prioritize the latest technology, extended range, and peak performance, the updated models are an excellent choice, though they come at a higher price point. However, an earlier iX still offers a fantastic luxury EV experience at potentially better value. Weigh your budget against the features you desire most. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those amazing meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.